How to duplicate a page on Squarespace quick and easy. Hi guys, welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to duplicate a page on Squarespace. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will open up squarespace.com and you will log into your account. This is where you will get. You have to select the website you want to edit and it will take you right here. You can see this is our website and we have this panel here to edit our pages, design, commerce, and more. In order to duplicate a page, you will click on pages. It will show you all of the pages that you have on your website. So you're going to select the page you want to duplicate. Let's say we have this page right here, which is known as donate. So you're going to click on the settings icon here and it will open up these settings for you. In general, you have to scroll down a little bit and you will find the duplicate page option. Click on duplicate page, click on confirm, and the page will be duplicated. You can see it will have the same name, but it will also say copy. So that will be like the duplicate of the page that you already had. And this is how we duplicate pages on Squarespace. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.